Hello everyone, my name is Safwan Ahmed and this is my submission for Project-1 or Project Wiki of CS50's programming with Python and JavaScript. In this project, we have to design a Wikipedia-like online encyclopedia. So this is the home page. As the front end of the page, HTML does the work and Python and Django works on the back end. And these are all the entries that are present now. And if we go inside them, we can also search for entries here. But if we search for an entry that was not entered, for example, this will redirect us to a page. We're gonna say this page does not exist, and to create a new page, click here. So we can actually make a new page. Here we just have to enter a title for the page. Here we have to input our informations as Markdown language syntax. For example, so now the entry is submitted, and if we go to our home page, now we can see that there is an example entry over here. There it is. We can also edit our entries. You might have noticed this edit button. Now when we submit again, we can see the entry is edited. And now when we go to our home page and again go to the example entry, so as you can see, the entry was edited. And here is the random page button. If we click on it, it will take us to a random page every time. And obviously we used a random library to make this work. So this was it. I hope you liked it, and thank you very much.